Assalamualaikum dear friends, welcome to Decoder Book, and I hope you are enjoying my video. If you are enjoying and learning from my videos, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel of Decoder Groups and or like our official Facebook page of Decoder Groups. Today we will discuss on the category of function, and after this topic we can go to our an example program of C++ function, use C++ program using function. So just briefly discuss this category of the function. Category of function. Category of function. The first category of function is function with no return value or no arguments. Function with no return value and no arguments. This is the first category of a function with no return value and no arguments. This means that its syntax void message void semicolon. In this, when we use this function void message void, we will print the we will print the message on screen. So for example, suppose if you have to want not taking integer data type and not returning a value, so then we will use void in the return type and return type part and void in the arguments part. This means that we will not return a value and we will not, and this means that this void mean that we will not take integer data. So when we declare this type of function, when we declare this type of function, this means that we will not taking any integer data from the user and we will not returning and data any type of which is integer or float. So this is the first category of function. Number 2, function with no return value but with argument. In this category of this is the second category of the function with no return value but with arguments. In this category we will not return a value but we used argument. Its syntax void add int integer and semicolon. In this category we will not return a value, that's why we wrote void here, and we will take arguments, that's why we wrote integer int of data type. So that's why when we have to but we don't when don't have to return a value in any program, but with we have to take argument, then we use this category of function. So the third part is the third category is function with function return a value, function with return value but no arguments. In this category we return a function, return a data, but we don't take any integer, any data from the user. So its syntax int void, int name of the function add and void means we will not taking any data. So the fourth category is function with argument, function with return value and with arguments. In this category we will return value as well as we take argument from the user. Its syntax is int add and int it and semicolon. In this category we will in the fourth category we will return a value as well as arguments, as well as we take arguments from the user. So one by one we will perform this function in our next videos. This category of function one by one we will perform this the category a program related to this related to these four categories in our next videos. So I hope you enjoyed this topic and learn from my video category of function. So and don't forget to share our videos and like or subscribe our YouTube channel. So thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.